Hey guys, Leslie here. So let's go ahead and start this haul video from Plannersisterstickers. They sent me this cute little card. It's a Van Gogh. Love it. So there's that. I'll have a link in the description box below. I think it's Leslie20 or Leslie15 for discount. I can't remember. Okay, so this one is called Getaway. So these are the full boxes, and then there's full box glitters and then half boxes. And then here's all the like regular size full boxes. It kind of reminds me of like Italy. There's definitely like a passport and like traveling. I do have the perfect washi to go with this kit. But we're not really planning any extravagant trips. But there's nothing wrong with like putting it in your planner. Nothing wrong with that. But there you go. So we have blue, pink, like a sage green, and a light pink as our colors. And then here's our full box checklist. Ooh, look at that bottom washi with the tiles. Ooh, it's so detailed. Love that. And then here's our headers and half boxes. And then here's our deco stickers. Look at all these girls. Summertime outfits, traveling. I like an Instax kind of camera. That's fun. All right, and then here's more. There's two more girls, and then you have your glitter headers over there. And then your date covers is more of that like blue fleur-de-lis. Love that. And then you have your littles. Okay, so that's Getaway. In case you wanted to know. That's Getaway. All right, we have a June monthly. What is going on here? It's like, is it sundown? I'm trying to figure this out. We look like we're on the kind of a beach. There's like a house with like a lighthouse over here. Oh, it's oceany. I see it now. So we have a shell with a pearl in it and some flowers. That's pretty. Okay, mermaids. We have mermaid boxes, mermaid deco. Love that. And then we have the little quarter boxes and date dots and payday stickers and bill due stickers. Our colors are like a dark purple, kind of a periwinkle, mauve pink, a fuchsia. Yeah. Ooh, love this. Oh, this is the next kit. Sorry. Okay, so this is June monthly. We've got kind of a mermaid under the sea. I get it now. It's like Little Mermaid. I get it now. Okay, this one's called Little Magic. Then it has Little Mermaid right here, and then the castle, and then glitter full boxes. And then here's all the other full boxes. I really like this one. Look at all those mermaids. Ooh, so pretty. Love this one. Love it. Okay, that makes me think of a good idea for that, because I was already making a shell that kind of looks like that, so I'm going to make it to match this kit. So here's our date dots and checklists and little like functionals. And then we have our full box checklist. So this is where we get our color palette, I feel like. The light pink, the fuchsia, the periwinkle, and the dark blue. And then, look at the bottom washi with the mermaids. And some fish. They look like betta fish. That's funny. Like big betta fish. That's what they look like. All right, and then we have headers and half boxes. And then we have deco. Look at all the deco. Starfish and some coral and some flowers. And then we have mermaids sitting on the rock and some glitter headers. And then here's our date covers with the little... See, these are ones I won't want to cover up with the date dot. I won't want to. That's not happening. Okay, that one is called Little Magic. All right, this one is called Resort. Ooh, fancy. Resort. There's like a big hotel behind them. And then we have, ooh, going out for some salsa dancing or something. And then we have some lanterns, some lemons, pistachios, olives, and cheese. The double doors, an outfit, and some flowers. It looks like a double date. All right, and their colors. I'm looking at those. And then we have the little deco functionals. So our colors are kind of like a, I don't know, peach, and then like a dark blue, and then a regular blue and a gray. And then our bottom washi is this pattern. I'm trying to figure out what pattern that is. It's kind of fleur-de-lis, but then kind of not. All right, and then here's our headers. And then here's the deco stickers. Look at all the little lemons. That's so cute. And then we have a guy and a girl like in the resort or I don't know, it looks like outdoor seating. Glitter headers. Ooh, the date covers are really pretty. Look at this. Look at this. I love that texture. I like that one. Okay, so this one is called Resort. Ooh, I'm excited for this one. So there's like a balloon arch, and then she's holding balloons, and it says it's a hooray kit. And then we have teal glitter boxes. Oh, it's a birthday kit. Yay, because my birthday is in the summer. So, yay. So we have balloons going into the house, some balloons and rainbows, some kids wearing shirts that say party, and then little fun jackets, and then it says happy birthday, and candles, and there's balloons and presents. There's a jar of, I don't know, gumballs. There's a bunch of candy, and then forks, and then there's some ice cream cones. Those are fun. And then we have our date dots and checklists, and then we have our full box checklist. So our colors are, this is a very like light mauve, and then we have pink, blue, and teal. And then here's a little rainbow bottom washi. And then here's our headers and half boxes. Here's our deco. Look at all the little candles. Okay, we don't need that many. What are you trying to say? Just kidding. Okay, I love this. Look at that big cake. I love that one. Then we have our glitter headers. And we have our date covers. They match the bottom washi. So this kit is called Hooray. So if you have a summer birthday, then they've got you covered. Okay, this one is called Groove and Sunshine. So she looks like she's trying to think about the crane machine with all the bears. Big pink glitter boxes. Okay, so this one is called what? Groove and Sunshine. Ooh, palm trees. She's got all the rings and the fun shoes. Smiley faces. We're listening to a tape recorder. We got some clip-on earrings. We got some donuts. It says Kitten Donuts, but it kind of looks like Dunkin' Donuts. Honestly, all the colors look like Dunkin' Donuts. There's a lemonade stand. Did your mall ever have a lemonade stand? Ours did. Here's checklist and date dots. Here's full box checklist. That is a bright yellow, you guys. Bright yellow. Like neon yellow. Bottom washi's really fun. The checkered boxes. I can't talk. All right, here we have our headers and half boxes. Oh, I just got one of these cups. It's not a Stanley, but my work bought us like ones with like our work logo on it. So that's kind of fun. Oh, they have leg tats and arm tats. There's like a VHS tape. A packet of sugar? I guess to go in the lemonade? Those are fun. All right, and then, oh, I guess I got two of these. I think. Is this the same? No. Oh, it's a different girl. Different girl. And then this has glitter headers on it. Okay, and then we have the checklist, or not checklist. I was doing so good. The day covers. I was doing so good. And then I said the wrong thing a couple of times. And then I did. Okay, so this one is called Groovin' Sunshine. Okay, this next one is called Special Recipe, which is fun because during the summer I do cook more. Love the flowers. Teal glitter boxes, half boxes. So cute. Oh my goodness. I love this so much. The flowers. I have a KitchenAid. I do. Sugar recipe book. The girls cooking. Fun, cute little aprons. My favorite recipe. Food time on a tablet. Looks like she made some kind of salad. She's like, I'm cooking salad. The one thing you don't actually cook. You just prepare. It's kind of funny. All right, date dots and checklists and little functionals. Here's our checklist full boxes. So our colors are this light pink, light mint, teal, and then kind of like a coral. It's like a light coral. Yeah, I like it. All right, and then we have our bottom washi with the flowers and the gingham. See, I knew that word. We have headers and half boxes. All right, and then we have our deco. Oh, we've got our olive oil and our salad. I love this cup. Love that. Love that. All right, and then we have the girls in the kitchen. They look like they're about to like high five with their wooden spoons. It's funny. And then we have our date covers, which have that floral on it and the tablet. So this one is called Special Recipe. Special Recipe. Sounds a good cooking one. All right, this one says today's a good day and has floral. And then it says, we've got some glitter headers here. It says it's called Happiness is Homemade. So is this also a baking one? No. So we have some bow clips here. Love that. Today's a good day. Happiness is homemade. Chill here. A little dog wearing a little face cover that says shh. And then there's the house. So it's like a stay-at-home kind of kit. We got our checklist and date dots and a little bit of functionals. And then we have full box checklist in peach, light teal, yellow, and a light pink. I love this bottom washi. I'm a sucker for floral washi though. How pretty. And then we have our headers and half boxes. Ooh, cute deco. This one's like in a box. That's kind of cool. Oh, and so is this one. Yeah, I like that. And then the house and then the dog. Adorable. And then we have more of the girls laying in bed and glitter headers. And then the date covers match the bottom washi with the florals, so you know I love that. That one's adorable. Okay, and then we have Pink Party. Ooh, a little party one. So she looks like she belongs in France, and she looks like she belongs in Texas. So I'm not sure what's going on. I don't know anything about a pink party. Okay, so she has a closet, or this is a store. I'm not sure. We have our girls, more girls. There's a boy back there. I had my boots when I was a little girl. They had pink sparkly stars on them, and they were gorgeous, and I wore them everywhere. We've got some makeup, some sunglasses, an old phone. I had a little pink boom box, pretty much just like that when I was a kid. We've got some floaties and a pool. It does say happy birthday, so this could also be used as a birthday kit. I don't know. I think I like the other one better. I might already have one picked out. Like, I don't even know. I don't know. All right, and then we have date dots and checklists. Lots of that neon. It's almost green. It is definitely like a highlighter green. It is very bright. We have light pink, blue, and yellow, and pink. And then we have our bottom washi. I think the other one's more birthday themed. Like, you could not use this, and then no one would know that it was like a birthday kit. You know what I'm saying? So I think I might use the other one. All right, here's our headers and half boxes. Oh, there's some more birthday cakes, though. Oh, and there's perfume bottles. Oh, and a lipstick. This one's really cute. I might use this for my friend's birthday, but her birthday's not till next March. Like, she just had a birthday, kind of. All right, here's by the pool pictures and our glitter headers. And then we have our date covers. So this one's called Pink Party. So it could be just like having a pool party, or you could make it more birthday themed. So these are all the kits from the haul. Thank you so much for sending these to me, Planner Sister Stickers. You guys are awesome. And then I'll leave the discount code in the description box below, as well as a link to their store and Instagram. So check that out. These always end up inspiring paper clips. So I will be making clips to match these. All of them. So thank you guys so much. And I will see you guys in my next one. I don't know. Tell me what your favorite kit was. Was it Resort? Was it Little, what was this one? Little Magic? Was it the Happiness is Homemade? The, what was this one? Groove and Sunshine? Hooray? Getaway? Or Special Recipe? Or maybe the monthly kit? Maybe. So let me know what your favorite one is in the comments. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!